Hello yogis and welcome to your mini yoga break. Today we are going to be moving through a tabletop sequence. So I'm going to turn to the side so that you can see how I'm moving. My legs are going to be about hip distance apart. My hands are behind me with my fingers pointing towards my toes. And for this practice you'll need to have your hands a little bit wider than your shoulders. So you're going to press those hips up into your tabletop. You're really going to try to come to a very, very flat plane. So you're going to drop your head a little bit so that you're one long line. And then as we exhale, you're going to drop your bottom all the way down and through your hands. So it's hard to see because of the shadows, but my hips are lifted. I am not sitting down on the ground. I am still floating in space. My toes are pointing up. And then you're going to lift back up. So we're going to do this together 6 times. Here we go. Dropping in and lifting back up. Keep it going, yogis. Really pressing those hips forward and up. Last time. Press those hips up to the sky. Release them down, and this time you can lower all the way down to the ground. And then we're going to inhale those arms up, really, really reaching up. And folding forward and just let your head go. And then you're just going to slowly begin to raise your gaze, releasing your hands down to the front of your ankles, and slowly walking yourself back up to sitting, returning to Sukhasana or easy pose. Bringing those hands together in front of your heart. Wishing you all a very successful and joyful day. Until I see you again, peace out.